up, y'all? It is a new day. I got a lot to do, so I'm going skiing. Also, I'm going to this Grown and Sexy themed party, and I got this dress, and I'm small, so I gotta go get it fitted. Why my eyes look so big? Anywho, that's beside the point. I'm about to get the dress now. I'm about to go get it fitted. I'm gonna take y'all with me to go get it fitted, and yeah, start the day. I got packages. This is what came in my Amazon package. These are thigh-high socks. I got these leggings. These are thermal leggings. They're winter leggings, so the inside it's really soft on the inside and it's gonna keep me warm. And I'm gonna put some North Face thermal leggings under them so I'll be extra insulated. I got some leg warmers. They came in a pack of, I think, 4. I already wore one, so 1, 2, 3. Maybe they came in a pack of 3. They came in a pack of 4, because I have 2 out there. They came in a pack of 4. And I got some winter headbands to keep my ears warm, since I don't want to wear a hat. So yeah, that's what came in my Amazon packages. Okay, I accidentally just deleted my video, but I just got my dress tailored. The party is tomorrow. I'm going to post my workout video after this week. I'm also going to post my ski trip because I'm going skiing and my stuff from Amazon came. That was the packages that came the other day. So I'm going to post me packing for that and going skiing. So yeah, I'm excited for this party. I'm gonna look so good. I'm gonna do my nails. I took my nails off because I'm gonna do a new set for this party. And I'm gonna do my toes. Y'all excited? I'm excited. Yay. So I'm getting ready for the party. This is my dress. Can't wait for y'all to see it. But I want to show y'all my hair extensions that I just made. So I took some crochet locks and I put them around an elastic. And I'm going to connect them to my ponytails like this. So it'll look like I have longer ponytails. Oh, it's going to be so cute. If y'all want a tutorial, let me know. These are my nails for the day. What's up, y'all? Okay, so I just came back from the event. I didn't record much, but look at the ponytails. I just want to take the time to appreciate my makeup. That's all. Thank you. It came out so nice. I love them. This is my dress. You'll see more of that in the next clip because I'm going to show you the party, the full outfit and everything. This is just me coming back from the party and I still look good. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Here's the party.